Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to keep your Telegram profile hidden from people in your contacts. Launch the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Scroll until you find Privacy and Security and tap on it. After that, select Phone Number. You'll see a section called Who Can Find Me by My Phone Number. Pick the option that works best for you. Everyone. Anyone with your number can locate your Telegram account. My Contacts. Only saved contacts are able to find you. Nobody. Your account won't be discoverable using your phone number. For maximum privacy, choose Nobody and confirm the changes. Your new settings will take effect right away. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.